Have you ever wondered which kitchen gadgets are actually worth buying and which ones just take up space? Today, we've rounded up 15 incredible kitchen gadgets that can save you time, simplify cooking, and upgrade your everyday routine. Every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so you can check them out anytime. Now, let's jump into the first must-have gadget. What if one appliance could replace several of the biggest tools on your countertop? The Ninja Mega Kitchen System does exactly that. Its powerful 1,500-watt motor effortlessly crushes ice, blends frozen fruit, mixes smoothies, prepares dough, and chops ingredients with professional-level performance. The large pitcher is perfect for family-sized recipes, while the food processor bowl and personal to-go cups make meal prep faster than ever. If you want one machine that handles almost every kitchen task while saving both time and space, this is a smart investment. You'll find the purchase link waiting in the description below. Could this become the hardest working appliance in your kitchen? Scooping frozen ice cream shouldn't feel like a workout. That's where the VRAIKO heated ice cream scoop completely changes the experience. With 3 adjustable heat settings, it gently warms the scoop to glide through even the hardest ice cream in seconds. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it especially helpful for anyone with wrist discomfort, while the rechargeable battery delivers plenty of power for family dessert nights. It's one of those simple gadgets that instantly makes dessert easier and more enjoyable. If you'd like to grab one, you'll find its link waiting for you in the video description. Which flavor would you scoop first with this gadget? A great meal always starts with the right tools, and this Astercook knife set delivers everything you need in one affordable package. Featuring ultra-sharp, high-carbon stainless steel blades, 6 essential knives, protective blade guards, and durable kitchen shears, it's built to handle everything from slicing vegetables to carving meat with precision. The anti-rust coating keeps every blade looking sharp while remaining dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or replacing old knives, this set offers outstanding value without compromising performance. You can check today's price through the link provided in the description. Would this knife set earn a place in your kitchen? Counter space is valuable, so why waste it on bulky appliances? The Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster delivers full-size performance in a sleek, space-saving design that fits almost anywhere. Its extra-long slot easily handles artisan bread, bagels, sourdough, and Texas toast, while 6 browning settings let you customize every slice exactly how you like it. Features like anti-jam protection, automatic shutoff, and a removable crumb tray make daily use both convenient and safe. If you're looking for a stylish toaster that combines modern looks with practical features, this one deserves your attention. The direct product link is available in the description below. Is this the kind of toaster your kitchen has been missing? Imagine replacing several kitchen appliances with one intelligent cooker that does almost everything. The Instant Pot Duo Plus combines 9 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, rice cooking, sterilizing, and more in one compact machine. Its family-size capacity, one-touch cooking programs, and built-in safety features make preparing delicious meals faster and easier than ever. From busy weeknight dinners to weekend meal prep, this multi-cooker saves valuable time while delivering consistently flavorful results. If you're ready to simplify your cooking routine, you'll find the product link conveniently listed in the description. Which feature would you use first if this Instant Pot was sitting on your countertop? If you love baking, this next gadget can completely transform the way you work in the kitchen. The KitchenAid Classic Stand Mixer is powered by a reliable 275-watt motor and features 10 speed settings with planetary mixing action for consistently smooth results. From whipping cream to kneading bread dough, it handles demanding recipes with ease while its iconic design adds a premium touch to any countertop. Even better, the Power Hub supports a wide range of optional attachments, making it much more than just a mixer. If you're thinking about upgrading your baking setup, you'll find the direct link waiting in the description. Could this be your next favorite kitchen companion? Cooking 2 different meals at the same time sounds impossible until you see this air fryer in action. The Ninja Foodi DualZone air fryer features 2 independent baskets that let you cook separate foods at different temperatures, while the Smart Finish feature makes everything ready together. With 6 cooking modes including air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. It delivers crispy meals using significantly less oil than traditional frying. It's perfect for busy families who want faster meals without sacrificing flavor. If you'd like to see more details, the product link has been added to the description below. What two foods would you cook together first? A complete cookware upgrade doesn't have to cost a fortune, and this impressive Astercook set proves it. Featuring 21 pieces with removable handles, durable ceramic non-stick coating, and stackable storage, it's designed for modern kitchens where every inch of space matters. The detachable handles allow you to move cookware from stovetop to oven and then neatly store everything away with minimal clutter. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, this versatile set is ready for almost any kitchen. If you're interested, you'll find its purchase link conveniently listed in the video description. Can you picture this cookware replacing your current set? Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, or meal prep recipes, this blender is built to deliver professional results every single time. Its powerful 1,200-watt motor, total crushing blade system, auto IQ programs, and extra-large 72-ounce pitcher make blending effortless, even with frozen fruit and ice. Cleanup is quick thanks to its dishwasher-safe components, making it just as convenient after the recipe is finished. For anyone looking for powerful blending performance without paying premium prices, this is an excellent option. You can explore it further using the link included in the description. Would this become your everyday blender? Starting your morning with fresh coffee becomes much easier when your coffee maker is already waiting for you. The BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker features 24-hour programmable brewing, a washable filter basket, sneak-a-cup technology, and an automatic keep warm plate that keeps your coffee hot after brewing. Its simple controls, compact design, and affordable price make it an excellent choice for daily use at home or in the office. If reliable coffee is part of your morning routine, this machine deserves a closer look. The product page is linked for you in the description below. Is this the coffee maker your kitchen has been missing? Making the perfect cup of tea or coffee starts with the perfect water temperature, and this electric kettle gives you complete control. The Cuisinart PerfecTemp features 6 preset temperature options, a powerful 1,500-watt heating system, and a 30-minute keep warm function, so your water is always ready when you are. Its cordless design, stainless steel finish, and drip-free spout combine convenience with a premium look that complements any kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade your daily routine, you'll find the product link in the description below. Which hot drink would you make first with this kettle? Running out of kitchen storage, it can make even the best space feel cluttered, but this adjustable baker's rack is designed to solve that problem. With 4 spacious shelves, heavy-duty steel construction, lockable wheels, and built-in power outlets with USB ports, it creates the perfect station for your microwave, coffee maker, mixer, or other appliances. The adjustable shelves let you customize the layout to fit your needs while adding a modern industrial style to your kitchen. If extra organization sounds like a good investment, check out the link available in the description. Where would this storage rack fit best in your home? Food prep can take forever, unless you have the right machine doing the hard work. The Ninja Professional Plus food processor packs a powerful 1,000 peak watt motor with intelligent auto IQ programs that make chopping, slicing, pureeing, and dough mixing incredibly simple. Its large 9-cup bowl is perfect for family meals and meal prep, while the precision blades deliver fast, consistent results every time. Instead of spending extra time preparing ingredients by hand, let this processor handle the workload for you. You'll find the buying link waiting in the description if you'd like to learn more. Could this become the most used appliance in your kitchen? If you love backyard BBQs, this gadget deserves your attention. The ivtivfu rolling grill basket makes grilling vegetables, shrimp, and bite-sized meats easier than ever thanks to its innovative rolling design. Built from durable 304 stainless steel with removable wooden handles, it allows food to cook evenly without falling through the grill grates. The nesting design also makes storage and transportation incredibly convenient for camping trips and outdoor cookouts. If you're planning your next barbecue, don't forget to check the product through the description link below. What food would you grill first using this basket? Keeping food fresh longer has never been this simple. The Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer is a portable handheld device that seals food in just seconds while taking up almost no storage space. It includes 30 reusable vacuum bags, a rechargeable battery capable of sealing hundreds of bags per charge, and an easy one-button operation that's perfect for everyday use. Whether you're meal prepping, reducing food waste, or packing food for travel, this compact gadget helps save both money and time. If you'd like to add it to your kitchen, the product link is included in the description. Do you think this gadget would help you waste less food? That wraps up today's collection of incredible kitchen gadgets that can make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Remember, every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so you can explore the ones that caught your attention. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next roundup of the best Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.